Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about the VCS. There are some few commands we are using today. So in previous video we have done the installation for this two node cluster. So using this HS status hyphen sum command you can check the status of your cluster. In another node also you can check the output is reflecting same. Then there is the process that is head is running and the h shadow. These two daemons always running up and running, and if suppose your head is stop, so automatically h shadow will monitoring and it will start it automatically, and vice versa. Another command that is the on which port it is running. So using this net stat 14141, this is the port used for this Veritas cluster. Under this profile we have set the path. This is the path we have set. So all commands are under this path. So we have set this environment path under this profile and we have source it. Now the basic command we are checking, that is related the LLT. So for LLT stat command cat space slash etc slash LLT tab. Here also you can check which links are using. This is the site node server. This is your cluster ID. Another command that is LLT host. Here you can check how many servers are available and their ID. That is server and client is using here. Another thing that is gap. So slash etc slash gap tab, it's showing this configuration slash sbin slash gap config space hyphen c, and there is the number hyphen n2. So n2, that means 2 number is specifying for this 2 node. If there is a 3 node, then this number is reflecting as a 3, and we can say this is a seed gap seeding. When I am running this command, so this gap driver is already configured. Honor option the others. Another command that is the gap config space hyphen a, it will show the Jeopardy membership for both the nodes. Another command that is u to stop the gap. LLT config space hyphen a, LLT config space hyphen c to start the LLT. You can use this command. To stop this LLT, use capital U to stop this LLT. LLT stat space hyphen NVV, you can check how many ETH ports you can use under this Veritas. So total 64, from 0 to 63, that is 64 Ethernet can use under this Veritas cluster. Another command we can check, that is the HS start. HS start, it will start this head on this local server. If I am going to start this head on this both servers, then use this hyphen all command, h start space hyphen all. If you want to stop it, then using this h stop, using this command you can stop this ha. And where is the logs for this VCS? So using locate engine underscore a, this is the messages. Engine underscore a. Okay. Slash VCS slash log. Engine underscore a dot log, this is your log file. You can check all the logs related to your VCS. This logs is reflected with the date and time. So whatever the activity is performing under your environment, so you can trace it using this log file. So these are the basic commands we have done in this video. So in next video we will do the another demonstration related to VCS. So thank you guys.